I am finding uh, leads, but look at everybody thumbnail is good, not average. We can say that good. Like this one. This one is not too much extraordinary, but here the language is not matching with my content. So moving forward, look at this. This one has a decent, good color combination. This thumbnail is AI generated, but AI is like too much words on the screen, and the emotion is like happiness. So AI team the thumbnail hook is AI team researches winning products. I tested an AI team that can research products for you. Okay. So find trends, check before suppliers. So she uses here hook and then here few keywords from that AI system here, and let us see here also use the graphics of laptop where she shows how she go up, and here is one thumbnail. So this thumbnail I don't think that this is needed here. She can use here on the laptop screen that will be minimized and negative will create negative space that will get more attention. AI does this the work to stay in control. So she can use this words. This doesn't need this word here. AI does the work. You stay in control. Uh, uh, you stay in control. This is not making any emotions. This is just like wow word. So this is not need to use here. So without using placing this at this place and removing this will enhance this thumbnail. So let's redesign this. So I will take a screenshot and then I will put somewhere. Later I will edit this and add an bootcamp and add an bootcamp. I built RACA agent, build basic automation, automate everything with and add an. Let's see, C has a face. Yeah, he is using face, but he is not using on thumbnail. So let's see his leads are mentioned. Any contact of this YouTuber is here or not. He's a perfect client for me because he is falling into the criteria. So I will just keep his ID in my AI lead. Yeah, this is here, and I will go into the today. I will create a folder by the name of today. Let's see. This is how this is here. Certainly high, higher pay services. Okay, so okay, let's see. It's not moving upward. 13th is our last date. That's why it's not moving. We just need to create this into waiting form, and I give you some space. Will be a new. This is not showing up. So let's create a 21st May and change it to hashtag heading for. Next, on the first, we have control plus B. So this is just what we have. We don't need here. This is. I need to delete this one. First, I went to the here. I will copy the channel's name. I will place it here. Move forward. I will the Instagram. I will paste here. This is too much places between this, so I will vacate this place. And a high is missing, so I will add a high. Now I have one lead. I will next move to second lead. First I will find that. So I need to go back and it's okay. So just go down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Let's see where. So he is using too much words on the screen, and the thumbnail is good color combination, but too much words and too much less narrative space, and also he's maybe he will be a big YouTube. No, this is not too much big YouTube channel, so I can protect him also. Satish Hawale control, and then I will just copy this in my this place, and then just control and shift and control. So we move to the next row, and again I will come back here. I will bring out his email ID, the sales, and just verify. No, bicycles. This one is bicycle. This one is bicycle. This one. Done. Verified. Let's click on this. So here is his email. Just I will copy this one and then move to our sheet notion, and I will paste here, and I will find another one, third one. I will move to here, and I will just go back, and again I will scroll down, and I will scroll down slowly. I will find his face is like something he wants to take, something he is hiding. Easy as fuck. So this is not too much good. Cloud Masterclass. This is also good thumbnail. Smiling, something happiness is happening here, and color unity is very good. But I think that in the background, she needs to use some elements that will create the pop of here, and shadow also she can use here. That will create more effect. Look at him, how beautifully his thumbnail is. Just using a smiling face, element on computer screen, arrow, and just two words 24 out of 7 and agents. And highlight 24 out of 7. So basics thumbnail and very consistent views of 34K. And that is a little bit good thumbnail. Look at this thumbnail. He's using too much word, too much elements like in the background, on forward place, and look at him here at this place and this place. They are just he shows two questions and his answer and one element here also. Here he is using money that is very small, but I can maybe he can use here also video now, and that will be bring his attention that money, and he can use because his video is in Hindi. He can use that dollar signs or maybe rupee sign. That will create impact. So let's go and see if he is uploading regular videos or not. So he has very good channels with 340K. He is okay. He is telling that how to create. Yeah, right. This is good one. So just move back. Um, his thumb is just the same and he will be happy with the same views he is getting because his thumbnail is very same on the every video. Consistent thumbnail, so I will not order him because he has a consistent design. So maybe he is not our potential client. I will move forward. Forward. This clone takes over my social life. So she has a little bit good thumbnail. This clone has no thumbnail. You can say just one face. The real vision AI makes you more valuable. Just 10 subscribers. Is he consistent or not? Yeah, he's not consistent. Just 3 weeks, 3 weeks and one thumbnail. Very 6 days later. So this is not my client. Just move forward. In that long video, to like AI clone takes over my social life. JDQ para AI agents and good trading system. Stories. These uploads. This thumbnail upload. Clone, let's see, or any other thumbnail which is wrong and not creating impact. So this is a wish thumbnail. So I will go down 10 million downloads. You can use this variation of them. Doesn't need this much on the face because the attention is getting on here and 10 billion and later of the view. So that's good. Adding the face. This thumbnail is our because two faces with a smiley. But we should show some fear because 10 billion robots are coming is not a what happens to human jobs. This is a concerning video, so in its face is not matching the emotion, so he can use there. Let's take a screenshot and enhance this thumbnail. Cloud skills, just two words, a smiling. So this is good thumbnail, but this not needs to be extraordinary because cloud is not popping out much, so cloud needs to be extra. Um, I will take a screenshot, not of this one. Press enter. I will just look at this thumbnail. This thumbnail is not really extraordinary. Too much words, too much walk, things, too much the same format, which we see in the earlier video. He has 230 only to subscriber base. Let's take this as a third point. To the notion, paste, movement, and then his email address. Just take this one here. Let's chat. One, it's nice. Just we will go into the fourth. Just we need fourth line. Have we just need to check that clients are uploading video on consistent basis or not. If they are not, so we will see the another client, another lead. Recipe complete AI. look at this thumbnail. He used too much elements, right? And here he has a very big content on which too much words. So this is a very work, not concentrating our eyes on at a place, not creating, just focus on the vibe coding. Vibe coding full stack app and deploy to Indonesian VPS landing page plus admin CMS. So there is nothing which is telling his matching with his video titles. So we can improve here. We will just remove that big screen into a simple screen, and we will by for the vibe coding we will use the same workflow, and we will use that workflow in a very big screen, and we will use this word as a hook, and we will create some emotion also, like he was want to tell something that is very interesting, surprising. So we will use that word simple live vibe coding, AI plus loop here. So we can use a word, very simple word, that is vibe coding is very easy. Vibe coding for Indonesia. Vibe coding, and he is deploying under his landing page plus admin. Work is becoming easy, so he must be very happy, and and surprise motion. So we will use that here. And one more thing we can do is this word. We can place this vibe coding word at the center of the screen. This word we can place here, center at the screen. Now it's finished. We can place this word at this place. Let me put my laptop on charge. So let's take his channel and copy his all these things, paste here so that we can nice C plus movement and here copy his Instagram and just paste here. Done. It's nice. We have four leads and we will outreach them later after coming the data. So I am going to meet you soon. Bye bye.